Beware the colors hid in the dark, watch havoc land to see their mark. The sky and tree and cardinals cheer, and checkered board will learn to fear. In murky swamps the black ones dwell, their acid breath a toxic spell. The dexterous bound o'er their breath, be they not wise, still follows death. On mountains high the reds take flight, their fiery breath ignites the night. The quick may yet preserve their skin, and slower turn, but ash the wind. Forest deep the green ones prowl, with poison breath they slink and scowl. In emerald dens they scheme and plot, the quick will live and slow will rot. In deserts vast the blue ones soar, there stands aloft as thunders roar. With heavy foot their patience buys, an ambush hid from prying eyes. In wasted tundra, ivory scale, only the hardy will prevail. With bestial growl they roam alone, red, blue, green, white, and black. Run and hide and don't look back. Scales of metal, evil's bane, wear copper's wit and golden's chain. The metals shine with righteous gleam, though blinding light is equally seen. Leviathans no harm they mean, while still destroying what's unseen. And hidden keeps the gold ones lie, with fiery breath their justice high. In ancient vaults their wisdom old, their tales of yore in silence told. On snowy peaks the silver stand, with freezing breath they guard the land. With noble hearts they aid the lost, in icy heights no matter the cost. By coastal ways the bronze ones glide, with lightning breath their truth they bide. In ocean caves they seek the just, with tides and storms their power thrust. Scales of metal, evil's bane, copper's folly, golden's chain. In rocky hills the coppers play, with acid breath they jest all day. In caverns deep their laughter rings, but beware their wrath when humor stings. In desert sands the brass ones shine, with fiery breath they draw the line. In dunes they dwell with tales to share, so offer gifts that are aware. Red and blue, green, white and black, run and hide and don't look back. Scales of metal, evil's bane, copper's folly, golden's chain. Precious stones at depths unseen, alike with seas that horrors teem. In crystal caves, amethyst stream, with forceful breath their minds supreme. In halls of violence seek the mind, with wisdom deep power you'll find. Sandy shores the topaz lay, with desiccating breath they sway. In coastal dens their secrets hold, with withering gaze their tales unfold. In mountain depths the sapphires reign, with thunderous roar they guard the veins. In azure halls if metal wavers, arms of war will earn their favor. In verdant green the emeralds hide, with psychic breath the time may bide. In verdant woods their lore to keep, with razor minds where secrets sleep. On highest peaks the crystals gleam, with radiant breath they share their dreams. In lofty lairs they seek the stars, with light so pure seen from afar. Red and blue, green, white and black, run and hide and don't look back. Scales of metal, evil's bane, copper's folly, golden's chain. Precious stones at depths, unsatious stones at depths unseen. Wonders under guillotine. We stand as knowledge grace the door, recite the lessons evermore, and pray we need not know the hour, yet from the ash we find our power. We stand as knowledge grace the door, recite the lessons evermore. The dead will never again cower, from their ash we find our power. We stand as knowledge breaks the door, recite the lessons evermore. The dead will never again cower, from their ash we find our power.